Root cause analysis for manufacturers. Root cause analysis, RCA, for manufacturers is useful because when the steps of the manufacturing process are extensive and complex, it helps to have a way to trace issues straight to the origin. This video is presented by Tonex.com. Tonex offers a 2-day root cause analysis for manufacturers training.
Manufacturers can save valuable time and resources by optimizing their troubleshooting system and implementing root cause analysis basics.
In the manufacturing sector, this is particularly significant. RCA can help manufacturers increase revenue. Detects downtime and maintenance all affect how much money you bring in, and the longer you're out of commission, the more you lose. Reducing the occurrence of these issues keeps your company active, so you can maintain your revenue stream.
Historically, many manufacturing professionals only treat an issue's symptoms, or even its intermediate causes, without fixing the root problem. This inattention to the finer details results in recurring difficulties that could otherwise be easily solved. Who should attend? This course is designed for technicians, engineers, testers, integrators, operators, maintenance, analysts, quality, reliability, safety, process employees with little or no root cause analysis, RCA, experience. The course is also useful for those who have experience with RCA, but have never had any formal training on the standard.
Course structure includes lectures, hands-on and problem-solving practices using simple tools and methodologies. The course is designed to provide the participants with tools and best practices to analyze complex systems. Comprehensive RCA Training Course Manual. RCA Cheat Sheet. Tonex's root cause analysis tools, techniques and templates, Excel tools and RCA templates provided. Core of problem solving and corrective action.
So, learn RCA process, methods, their strength, and their effectiveness in dealing with the complexity of complex manufacturing and system integration operation processes. Sign up for Tonex Root Cause Analysis Training for Manufacturers.
98% global positive feedback can't go wrong for you. Experience innovative and customized training. Up-to-date courses. Guaranteed Tonex training keeps your employees current in their field of expertise. Tonex professionals work with businesses in the public and private sector to arrange for seminars, educational programs, workshops and training sessions that pertain to their specific niche in the industry.
Learn the 5 whys, failure modes effect analysis, FMEA, scatter diagram, fishbone diagram. See more root cause analysis training, courses and certification. Root cause analysis for engineers, for non-engineers, for healthcare professional, for supervisors and more.
Request more information. Please visit www.tonex.com.